What's going on, everyone? Yet another day of red. The market can't find a bottom. Very easy for the shorts. There was, kind of a little middle to end of day dead cat bounce that was a slow grinder, but the meat and potatoes of today's price action was the short. Okay. It was the short off the open. Literally from the word go, the market just turned around and we flushed about 300 points. So, what I want to focus on here, I think for the foreseeable future, is that 30-minute opening range has done wonders all week. Okay. Now, the 30-minute opening range, I'm going to drop some lines. Actually, I'll draw the lines. 30-minute opening range here. Notice what we do after we break the 30-minute opening range. Look at yesterday's price action here. Look at what we do after the 30-minute opening range. 30-minute opening range here. Look at what happens after the 30-minute opening range. Okay. Again, going back, 30-minute opening range. Even though it did bounce, there was plenty of opportunity for a short scalp. So far, 30-minute opening range, if you were solely playing these setups over the past week, you'd be 1, 2, 3, 4 for 4. And again, depending on your risk management, this could get you closer to passing an evaluation. This could get your buffer up so you can get closer to that payout. And what it's essentially doing is it's keeping you away from the noise. It's keeping you away from the noise early in the day when the ranges are huge. And again, the 30-minute opening range, the ranges are still extremely big, but at least it's giving you some price action to kind of go off of. Now, does that mean tomorrow we're going to continue to confirm a 30-minute opening range to the downside? No. But if tomorrow we get a little bit of a dead cat bounce, maybe that 30-minute opening range to the upside is going to pay. Here's what I would do. Let's do something close to a 1-to-1, right? 15, 20 point stop loss, 15, 20 point take profit. We want to make 300. We want to make $400 off this trade. Now, again, if you want to trade micros, let's do something similar, 20 to 25 points. And what we're looking for, 15 to 20 points, I want to make at least $150 to $250 on my micros. So right now, I think it's definitely safer and smarter to trade micros. But if you absolutely can't pull the trigger to trade those micros and you have to be on minis, again, be very mindful. Protect yourself. Maybe start off with the wider bracket. And as soon as you start to go into profit, $200, $300, just take your money, right? Just 10 points, 12 points, 13 points, 14 points. If it's working, just take your money and shut the whole computer screen down. Again, less is more. I'm gonna stress this a lot. Less is gonna be definitely more until we get out of this cycle that we're in. This cycle that we're in, and what I'm talking about, if I look at the daily chart, okay, let me zoom in here, and I'm gonna zoom into around December. Look at what we're doing, guys. If I was to take my drawing tool and kind of mark out the highs and mark out the lows, we're going nowhere. I mean, absolutely nowhere. We're dropping, we're popping. We're dropping, we're popping. We're dropping, we're popping. Now, is there areas of opportunity to make money here? Absolutely. But based on this chart, if it's going to hold true, what should we be doing down towards this range or this range here, right? What should we be doing here? We should be popping, right? Now, whether we take out all-time the highs, or whether we just, put in maybe a 50% retracement, something like this, and then come back down. I don't know, but we're in the range of we might be looking for a little bit of a dead cat bounce, right? So if we gap down tomorrow, gap down anywhere in this range, I would look for the initial trap and then look for the bounce. If we gap up tomorrow, I would look for the trap and then look for the short back down because we might be losing this area of 21,000. So let's kind of keep that in mind. That's how I'm going to play it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also, guys, if you need Apex accounts, use code DAnthony. You're going to save 80% off right now. If you want to trade with me each and every single day live, make sure you guys join the Discord. You get access to my course and the way that I trade and all of the strategies, and you get access to a really, really cool community with a bunch of really amazing people. I'll see all of you guys on the inside.